Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Instagram for Reels post-production exports, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, tap the login button. Enter your username or email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Tap the login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Select Reel from the options that appear. To record a new reel, hold down the circular record button. If you want to upload a pre-recorded video, tap the gallery icon. Select the video you wish to use for your reel. Edit your content using the available tools and features. Once you are satisfied with your editing, tap the right arrow to proceed. On the sharing screen, you can add captions, hashtags, and choose to share it to your feed. When ready, tap the share button to post your reel. Your reel will now be exported and uploaded to Instagram. Wait for the confirmation that your post is successful. You can view your reel on your profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.